you notice something different? I have no nails. Why? Because today we are trying Korean nails for the first time. When I say Korean nails, I refer to this style of nails. The bedazzled, the 3D gems nails, colorful, sparkly, glittery, very unique and artistic nail design. And the nails that I'm trying are these. Ta-da! These are the press-on nails that I'm trying today. I got them from Pink Lady Nail Studio in Koreatown, New York City. I was walking down the streets and I saw a pink table with press-on nails sparkling from afar. I was mesmerized by all the designs and came back the next day to actually purchase something. I couldn't leave New York without getting press-on nails from this shop. There were so many beautiful designs to choose from. The girl I met was so sweet. I'm a very indecisive person, okay? And she took her time with me to help me find what I like. She showed me different designs, lengths, styles, and I finally made the decision to go with this set. I took a picture with her as a souvenir. Her kindness and dedication made the experience truly memorable. If you see this, hi! You're so sweet and thank you for everything. I am not a nail expert / professional. I'm just a human who likes to wear press-on nails. So please do your own research if you want more information. Wow! Oh my god, I'm so emotional. In this little patch, we have the nails. I like the pink cardboard. I like the pink font color. The plastic bag is pink. So cute. Behind, we have the instructions on how to apply the press-ons with nail glue or with a nail sticker. And it even says how long it will last. In this plastic, we have 2 alcohol pads, a file, a cuticle pusher, a nail adhesive sticker sheet. I'm surprised that there's not a glue stick because when I usually buy press-ons, they always provide a glue stick, but I don't mind because I don't need glue. All I need is this. It's the first time that I try a set like this. I usually go with a plain color, or lately you have seen me with French tips, but this is so out of my comfort zone, and that's exactly what I wanted. I'm seriously looking at this set and wow, I really love it. I do not regret the pick. This is so cute. This is in a size medium. When I was there in New York City, I made sure to try each nail on my nails before I purchased them. I have a wide nail bed, so I just wanted to make sure that they fit on my nails. For the purpose of this video, I won't be using the alcohol pad or the file or the cuticle pusher because I just don't want to do it. Okay, but you make sure that you prepare your nails properly before applying those press-on nails. I just don't have the energy for that today. Okay, I recommend watching this video to have more information on how to apply press-on nails with double-sided stickers and how to remove them. Today's video is not a tutorial. I'm sorry. So let's try them. I'm gonna start off with my left hand. This is my left hand right now. I have my double-sided stickers here. I'm just placing the double-sided stickers on my nails just to see which one would fit best. For example, this one fits my pinky best, so I'm just going to take it off to place it here. I'm gonna do that with every single nails, and 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I have a sticker on every nail. All I need to do is remove the plastic and place the nail on. I'm gonna start off with my left hand. Now I have the sticker and okay, I'm gonna take this one. Okay. Oh, look at this beauty. Okay, let's place it on my hand right now. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I love it. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the ring finger and oh, look at my nails. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. Oh wow. Oh my god. I can't I can't right now. Oh wow, this is so different. I should have cut my nails before because these nails are see-through, so I can't see actually the white part of my nails, but I will know that for the next time that I wear them. I don't have time to cut my nails, so I'm just going to continue with applying them. Let's do the middle finger. Look at that! We're almost done! And last but not least, oh, wow! A gem! Oh, wow! This is so different. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. And they're so long too. They're longer than what I'm usually used to, but I love them. I'm going to do my right hand off camera and 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Guys, look at my nails! Oh my god! Final result! I love them. These are definitely out of my comfort zone. I freaking love the light pink and the fact that the nails are kind of see-through. There are a little bit of glitters on them, and I also have gems on my thumbs and on my pinky. Middle finger also have big gems. This is the final look. I think this nail will be perfect for an event, a wedding, but you can also wear them every day because they're not too colorful if you're afraid of being too colorful for every day. Not too out there, they're still pretty and cute and feminine, and I love it. These are so subtle, but at the same time so beautiful because of the gems, and you're gonna see me wear these, okay? You're gonna see me wear these. If they were shorter, they would be even more perfect. This is so long for me, okay? Look how long they are. This is too long for me. I think I would slice my own meat with these. This is so pretty. The world needs to see these. What do you think? Do you like it? This is a gift that I did to myself. I am so grateful that I did that. These nails make me so happy. I am so satisfied with my purchase. Press-on nails are the accessories for me. It's like clothes, jewelry, hats, haircuts for your nails, and it's my favorite accessory. If you're interested about the shop, here is the Instagram handle. Let me know in the comments if you want a press-on nail collection. And yeah, I am gonna eat. Guess what I'm eating? By the color of my nails. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!